Today I wanted to test out the iPhone 15, and so I thought, why not do another day in the life video? I have a few things to get done, and I'm going to take you along the ride of putting the iPhone 15 through its paces and kind of seeing how well it does on an average day at work. After I wake up, I brush my teeth. Today I'm working from home, which is pretty much what I've done every day for the last half a decade. We've been working from home for a while now, and I really like being able to be at home and just being in my comfort. And yeah, I've been doing it before everyone else was. I'm gonna take credit for it. Today, I don't have much plans besides a typical work day and running some errands, so it is definitely gonna be a pretty chill and relaxed day. In order to start the day on a good note, I make breakfast. Today's order is scrambled eggs with fresh ingredients such as sea salt imported from the sea and black pepper grown on Mount Everest. Okay, I'm kidding. Literally, it's just basic eggs with black pepper that I bought from Walmart. I eat out on the balcony and use my iPhone to catch up on Instagram, Twitter, emails, and a bunch of other random apps. I have to clock into work for a quick meeting and read my work emails in preparation for the rest of the day. I decide to clean up a bit around the kitchen and also do some vacuuming. So the time is now almost 10 a.m. I didn't really do much with the phone. I clocked into work about an hour ago and already had 2 meetings and was a little bit busy, so I changed my shirt because I didn't want to wear my sleep shirt. I didn't really have much time to use the iPhone 15 because I was in the meetings and I couldn't really use my phone much. And it's at 90%, which honestly for the amount that I used it is not the greatest, but I know that this thing usually lasts the whole day. But let's see exactly how it goes. I make coffee and start checking some personal emails on my laptop while also using the iPhone to jot down ideas and brainstorm and do some more scrolling through the interweb. Now that it's lunch, I decide to quickly go to the gym. I don't work out much, but it's something I want to do more, so it's good to start whenever you can. I do a bunch of quick workouts and use the iPhone to play music. After the workout, I decide to go for a quick walk and test out the iPhone camera. Fun fact as well, there's actually sometimes salmon jumping in this lake over here. I'm not going to say what lake it is because it's kind of close to my crib. The cyclists go by. I actually just saw a heron. How do I zoom out? I can't. I actually see a heron. I think it's a heron. I'm not sure what kind of bird it is, but it's right over there. So I'm not like a bird watcher or anything like that, but I just seen like a heron. I think it's a heron. Don't know what it is, but a lot of people said they spotted it around the area. The iPhone's at 72%. I'm just using it to kind of listen to music and go for a walk. Hold on. I'm a little bit afraid of the coyotes. That's why I'm like looking around because there's some coyotes in the park. So I'm just trying not to get mauled by a coyote. But if I did, it was all for you. So yeah, let's test out the camera. On my way back, I get lunch and come back home to eat it. I watch some YouTube while eating and texting a few friends and just using the iPhone a bit more. One thing I really like about the iPhone is the display, and the display being a lot brighter. It gets up to 2000 nits, which is pretty bright on a non-pro version. So outdoors, the brightness looks really, really good. And yeah, it's a really, really good screen for watching content. This is like my 5th different fit of the day. I swear to you, this is not the sweater that I just worked out in. This is a Nike sweater that was like H&M. Anyways, I'm using the iPhone to do a shorts video. I usually like to have the iPhone 15 in my hand to kind of read the voiceover part that I do and do it one time. So yeah, using the iPhone 15 to make a quick shorts, and then I'm gonna post it today. So If you're watching this, you probably already saw the shorts. If you didn't, go back and check it out. All right, so it did take me a little bit to edit that video. This is the iPhone 15, about it overheating and if it's actually overheating or not. Go ahead and check that out if you haven't seen it already. It's probably live now by the time that you're watching this. Let's go ahead and post. At around 5:30, my fiance and I meet up and we head over to Starbucks to get some work done. I spend about an hour here and my battery's at roughly 25%, which is not bad. Now it's time to head back home for the day, but first, let's do some grocery shopping. The time is now 7:47 p.m. The battery is now at 19%. Not sure if you could see it, you probably can't. I'm pretty happy that it lasted to 19%. It means that if I was to go out now, I'd probably have to charge it, but if not, and if I'm staying in, I could still have it last for maybe another half an hour of social media use or something like that. I'm looking at my battery use and I don't know if it's correct, but it says that I had 9 hours and 16 minutes of screen on time and screen off time was 4 hours and 1 minute. And I took off the charger at 7:49 a.m. so it's really good. I did not have auto brightness on. This is a good phone in terms of charging. For me, the 14 Pro of last year died a lot quicker than this one. I'd have to charge it by like 3 o'clock. If you haven't already, make sure to check out my 7 days later review. It's already posted up. And also, before I forget, if you see your name on the screen, you definitely won the giveaway. I have a lot more content coming up on the iPhone, some Apple Watch content coming up as well, so make sure to subscribe. Give the video a thumbs up, it really helps push me up the algorithm. And yeah, if you're watching this on the Friday that it comes out, have a good weekend. Peace.